How to block ads on Facebook. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. To block ads on your Facebook, launch a Facebook application in your device and make sure to log in. Once you have successfully logged in, tap on the three horizontal line in your top right corner. Now from here, scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy. Tap on the option of Settings. At the top, you will see Meta Account Center. Tap on here. Now from here, under Account Settings, click on Ad Preferences. In the Ad Preferences, you will find some of the ad activity that has been popped up into your feed. Now to manage those, just click on the See All button. Now if you wish to block or hide from a certain one, you can just click on the given option. Then just tap on Hide Ads, after which you won't be able to find ad from the certain page. Another thing that you can do is you can click on Manage Info. Then tap on Audience-Based Advertising. Here you will find every pages that you have interacted and those who send you advertisement. You can just select on the particular page. Then from here, just click on You May Have Interacted option. Then select on Hide Post. Then click on Manage Personalized Ads and click on Review Setting. Make sure to set it on No and tap on Confirm. This will help you to minimize some of the advertisement on Facebook. This does not guarantee a total block of ad, however, it will limit the advertisement on your Facebook. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.